Today we're gonna be checking out the 2026 Chevy Z01 Trail Boss. Yes, we're gonna be checking them out today. Now, this was the vehicle I was gonna get when I got a truck. Yes, I was thinking about this one. This one I almost got, and yes, almost, until I saw that beast over there. Yep. All right, so let's check out this one right here. This is a Chevy Z01. It's real nice, man. It is clocking in kind of high. This one's a little bit cheaper than this one. I want to say it's probably cheaper than this one. I want to say maybe because of the side steps, maybe. And then it does have like maybe bigger rim, maybe. But let's check out the hood. Now that was one thing I really didn't care too much for when I saw this was the hood. Really didn't care too much for that. You know what I mean? But it would still look nice, but it kind of stuck up when you're driving, but really didn't care. Didn't like it really. But let's check out the front. It does have the front hooks on there. Let's see, it has the LED lights. Okay. Front grille. See, this one has the Z01 right there. Got some black rims on there. Has look at the inside there. Silverado. Got the steps on there. And then let's see the inside. It's all right. Nice dash, nice interior. It does have the middle console right there on there. I mean, this look, no LED lights on here. Does look a little cheap on there for the price you're paying. You know, should have done a little bit better, you know. And then another black rim back here, of course. And then you got the suspension back here. All right, you got the Trail Boss. I really wanted the Trail Boss because I like it because it lifted up. It's lifts up. It's ready for off-road. It's a beast. It's ready to go. It does have the back window. Let's see if it has a bed liner. Oh, yes. Thank you, Chevy, out here for putting a bed liner. Yes, that's awesome. This is another thing I didn't care too much. It's cool to have, but I really don't care for it. The side right here step, but it's still cool. This one is dual exhaust. Looks nice, you know, dual exhaust. Not bad, not bad. Okay, not bad. Got the hooks, everything out there. Let's see what else. Like I said, the bed liner step. Let's see the interior. Like I said, oh, it does have a good size screen on there. Leather? No, yeah, no, it's not leather. It's just regular cloth, you know, not bad. It's nice though. It only got their little mirror right here, you know. Okay, let's see how much this one is. This one's clocking it at 69,000. So 69,000. So this one right here is clocking at 61,000. This one is a better, nicer one. It's a lot more cleaner too. I do like the touch right here. It looks cool. This one is cleaner. It's a 71,000 right here. But yeah, this was a vehicle I was gonna get. Well, maybe because it does have a little bit more better of a package. It has LED lights here. Let's see what else on this one. Wow, for only a couple more, like I think 1,000 or two more, you get those LED lights on there. Has better running side steps. Let's see the interior. Exactly the same. Well, that's it. That's all you're gonna get for 72,000. It does come with the bed liner in this one, 72. So basically you're paying for, it looks like to me, oh, it does have the different tailgate. So this one just folds down. This one has an extra fold. It folds again and stuff like that. So it does have a little bit more of a package. So this is the LT and this is also a LT. Okay, so as you can tell there's more into an LT than just an LT. So this is the LT Trail Boss, but you can tell it has this trunk, the side steps, and the LED lights. So if you could live without the extra trunk, the LED lights, and the side steps, this one would be $2,000, maybe more. Cheaper over here. But yeah, I was close to getting one because I really enjoyed this vehicle. It was super nice. It's a nice truck. But they didn't really care too much for the front end. I didn't care too much for the hood. I liked it because it's capable of off-road. Off-road capabilities through the roof. It's lifted. I want to lift the truck. I want a nice truck. And for the price, it was kind of high even when I looked at it. I think it was about 60,000 when I looked at it about 7 months ago. But I saw this truck, and this truck was only 56,000. And look at that lift. Look at that suspension. Look at that. I did put the side, didn't come with side steps, but like 2500 got the LED lights, got the side step, has a molded in, has a bed liner in there. Perfect. Got the step. Even has the big off-road tires on there. Look at the lift. Even higher, even better. Love the front end. I love the hood. Look at the hood. It's perfect what I wanted. And it comes with the winch on there. It comes with the built-in winch. So when this one come by, I was like, my God, I dodged the bullet over here of almost owning this vehicle for more. Pro exact same video. I can show you the video of the actual truck that I test drove, and it had a little bitty screen, and it had no bed liner, and it cost more. That's insane. So this one still cost way more. This one's at 69,000. Mine was at 56,000. So it's pretty crazy, man. Even you can say, well, it was a long time ago. Yeah, well, that truck boss I trusted out was 60,000, had a little baby screen, and had no bed liner, no kickstand. It was the plain Jane version, man. So I dodged the bullet not getting that one for 60,000. I would have been upset with myself knowing that I got this instead of that big old beast over there. That would have been insane, right? What do y'all think, man? Did I do right by picking that 2500 over there for 56,000? Or should I have got this troll box for 60,000 with a cheaper uh screen, no bed liner, no kickstand, and I got the 6.4 HEMI in there. The Power Wagon pack just even lifted higher and much higher, even better. A winch in there. I could pull myself out if I get stuck or anybody else out. It's built in. The kickstand will help you get up on there. All that for 56, and I would have got this for 60. And I got the big screen in there, by the way. I have the big screen in there. Love it, man. But this is awesome still, man. I wanted to get this one. If you're a Chevy lover, if I was going to get a Chevy, I probably want to get this one right here. Let me show you the one I actually. If I was going to get a Trail Boss, I will get this one right here, guys. This is the real Trail Boss right here. Now, this one is the Z71 2500 HD Trail Boss. Yes, this one's the mega load right here. This one's real nice. Now, skip that Trail Boss over there for 69,000. Look, see it? Yeah. Pass that up and get this monster right here. Now, this is a beast, man. Look at this. This is nice. If I would get it, this is the one I would get. The big mirrors, the LED lights, all this stuff is cool, man. Look at this. The rims, the suspension. Now, would I get this one over my truck? No. And I'll tell you in a minute why I wouldn't. But look at that. You got the same pretty much screen. Same pretty much you got leather. Does come with the bed liner. Awesome. Bigger bed. The same thing with the little kick thing on there. That's cool. This is nice. That's extra lifted. It's a Trail Boss. Nice. Even has this extra kickstand so you can get up right there. But this one right here, this was running at, I want to say 92 or 82. All right, so this one's clocking in at 82,000. Not bad. Not bad at all for this one. Wow. So that one's over there was 69. This one's 82. I would definitely get this one. But the reason why I wouldn't pick this one still over my Dodge, which this was nice. I like the big LED lights, like the hood. This one's a better hood than that hood. This one looks a lot better, a lot more cleaner, like it goes better than the regular LT version. But look at the stance. You get that 250, man. Big. Oh, man, nice. Got the lights on top and everything. Got the nice LED lights. Looking at these prices right now at these trucks, man, I got this one for a steal, man. That's not bad. But that's a look at the two the Trail Bosses, the 2500 and the 1500 LT. What do y'all think? Hey guys, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Don't forget, comment, like, and subscribe, and tell me what else would y'all want to see out here of any vehicle of Dodge, Chevy, and Ford. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Here's another look real quick of them side by side. Yeah, check that out. That's how they'll look side by side. Look at that. See this truck, I'm barely right here. I could just reach the mirror right there. It's like to my shoulder. This right here. Well, it's still kind of a little higher than my shoulder, but it's a lot more bigger. That's why. Look at that. See, I have to tiptoe just to even see in over here. This one, I didn't gotta do nothing. I could just see everything in, see the whole seat and everything. See that? Way bigger left. See, I had to look, tiptoe just to even see inside. That's crazy, right? This is the truck I was gonna get, the Trobos, and I ended up getting this beast right here instead. It's crazy, right? Alright guys, don't forget, comment, like, subscribe, and tell me what else would y'all like to see. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.